Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can inspect and edit captions inside LightlyStudio. Modern AI datasets are multimodal and images and videos often come with rich textual descriptions. And in LightlyStudio, captions are directly linked to each sample, making it easy to inspect visual language datasets without leaving the platform. What you can do is you can view all captions associated with the sample in one dedicated captions view. So if I click here on the captions view, you can see one image and multiple captions all in one place. We can inspect our captions like that. And what's also very cool is that if something needs fixing, you can edit captions directly in the interface for a quick visual Q&A. Let's say here we have a caption, like this is a zebra, right? And a caption says an elephant is in front of some dry trees. I'm not happy with this caption. I can just click here on the top right, edit annotations. I can easily do a Q&A here. I do like a zebra is in front of some dry trees. I save the corrected caption and I can finish editing. And with that, I was quickly able to fix the incorrect caption. That's all for today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!